So we're here with Bryan Wolf from the backpacking shop Roads, Rivers, and Trails, and we're going to learn about what you absolutely need to do while you're on the trail. So Bryan, what do I need to know when I'm going for a hike?
Yeah, thank you. First, we just like to outline a few of the leave no trace principles. And one of the first things is pack it out.
Pack it out.
Yep, absolutely. Anything that you take in on the trail, you're responsible for bringing back out.
Well, that's so any sort of gear or maybe any trash or anything, I make sure I bring out with me.
Yep, trash is the big one. Just forgotten things. Just be really present and aware of what you're bringing in so that you're not leaving a footprint when you leave.
Okay, well, what else do I need to know?
So the second thing is don't take any souvenirs. So just like we're not leaving anything behind, we don't want to take anything that's going to hurt the next person's experience. So rocks, flowers. It's very pretty for you, and leave that for the next person to enjoy as well.
So it's really all about like making sure everyone else's experience is just as great as yours.
Exactly, you nailed it.
Okay, well, if I'm on the trail, is there anything I should know, like etiquette-wise, with other hikers?
Yep, good point. You're on the trail. So staying on the trail is another principle that we want to consider. We don't want to widen our footprint, and so we want to stay on the trail when it's appropriate. Most places are going to have marked trails.
Okay, and I'm sure if you get off trail, then that might like disturb habitat or maybe damage some wildlife.
Absolutely, and there's some places that are more sensitive than you'd think and take longer to revegetate and things like that. So it is important just to stay on trail to keep that experience for everybody.
What about interacting with other hikers? Is there some etiquette or maybe some rules I should know?
Absolutely. One, it's considerate to give right of way to the uphill hiker. As they're trekking up and using a lot of energy, I usually step aside for them. But in general, we just want to be respectful of everybody else's time in the outdoors and what they're doing. So that could come to cell phone usage or music on the trail. Think of the experience that everyone else wants to have and make sure that you're not interrupting it.
Well, I can definitely remember those leave no trace principles when I'm outdoors. If you want to learn more great ways that you can protect nature while you're out exploring, check out the Leave No Trace website, lnt.org, where you'll find great resources and ways that you can get involved in protecting parks near you. Happy hiking! Want to learn more about our national parks? Then hit that subscribe button, friend. Stay up to date and catch bonus features by following us on Instagram @OutSCIder.